Hey everyone, welcome to Joanfo Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this juicy, succulent, delicious honey roasted chicken. The first thing that I'm going to do is to make a dry rub. So I'm going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm using sea salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a tablespoon of paprika. So I have a chicken here that's nice and clean and spatchcocked, and if you want to see how I did this, there's a video linked in the description box below. So I'm going to start by adding half of my dry rub. You can add some oil to it if you want. I don't normally do, it's just a personal preference. And a tablespoon of my blended green seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Just drizzle that on slowly. Right, now I'm going to massage this into my chicken and then do the other side. You want to get it all up in the crevices and under the skin. And now I'm going to do the other side. And I like to season this pocket here. In this pocket here, that's behind the thigh. I'm going to get some of my seasoning in. It's a bit too much. So I'm going to tuck the wings under the skin that's over the breast, so that when I bake it, they don't burn easily. Some people like to tuck them behind like this, but I find it a lot easier when I tuck it in to the skin like this. So now that my chicken is nicely seasoned, I'm going to cover this and put it in my fridge overnight. You don't necessarily have to marinate your chicken overnight. Anywhere from 1 hour upwards is fine. And I forgot to mention earlier that the green seasoning recipe is linked in the description below. Alright guys, so it's the next day and here's my chicken. And I took the chicken out about 45 minutes ago because I like to, when I season my chicken or my meat overnight, I like to take it out of the fridge for at least 30 minutes just to get some of that chill off of it. Alright, so before I put it in my oven, I'm going to drizzle a bit more of the honey onto the chicken. Alright, just a light drizzle. So now this goes into my oven, which I have preheated 5 minutes ago at 185 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to let that roast for 30 to 45 minutes before I check on it, and it smells so good already, guys. I'm already smelling the chicken. I can't wait. So my chicken has been roasting for exactly 45 minutes and this is what we have so far. So I'm just gonna baste it in some of the juices and put it back in my oven. Alright guys, so my chicken is done. I placed it back in my oven for exactly 15 minutes. So the total cook time for this chicken was exactly 1 hour. And if you find that the water is drying out from your tray while you're roasting it, you can get some room temperature water and pour it onto your tray. Just make sure you go around the chicken. Don't pour it directly onto the chicken. And this is completely optional. I'm just going in with one last drizzle of honey. I know this might seem like a lot of honey, but trust me, it's really not. All right, And there you have it, simple, delicious honey roasted chicken. Thanks so much for watching. It's always a pleasure having you in my kitchen. Please like, share and subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. You can tag me on Instagram at joanne4_, and remember, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.